Hi guys, I just finished my workout and I just want to give you the and the verse of the day. And it's 1 Peter 5 verse 7, and God says, cast all your cares and your burdens on Him. And it's great to know that we can just cast all our cares and burdens on God, and He will fight the fight for us. He will fight the fight. And then remember, guys, Jesus died on the cross. By His wounds we are healed. So the price has been paid for us, for our sins, for our iniquities, for everything that we take on in our life, every single transaction, guys, in your business, in your life. God has already paid the price. You have the authority. You have the authority to speak it over your life and declare it over your life, because by His stripes we have been healed. By His stripes He's already paid that price. So have a blessed day, guys. Speak that contract into existence. Speak that business transaction into existence, and you will see it happen. Have a blessed day, guys.